Creating an online marketplace website involves several steps to enable users to buy and sell products or services. Here's a concise guide. Conceptualize. Define your niche, target audience, and unique selling points for the marketplace. Research competitors and identify market gaps. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your revenue model, marketing strategy, and growth plans. Domain and hosting. Choose a memorable domain name and reliable web hosting service. Platform selection. Select a platform for building your marketplace. Options include custom development, WooCommerce, Shopify, or marketplace-specific solutions like ShareTribe. Website development. Customize the chosen platform to match your marketplace's requirements. Implement user registration, product listings, payment gateways, and messaging systems. Design and usability. Design an intuitive, responsive, and user-friendly interface. Prioritize search and navigation features. Security. Implement robust security measures to protect user data and transactions. Use SSL certificates and secure payment gateways. Vendor onboarding. Develop a vendor registration process, including identity verification and product listing guidelines. Payment processing. Integrate secure payment processing options for buyers and commission systems for vendors. Feedback and ratings. Implement a feedback and rating system to build trust among users. Launch. Launch your marketplace and promote it through digital marketing, social media, and partnerships. Customer support. Offer customer support channels to address user inquiries and disputes. Analytics. Use analytics tools to track website traffic, user behavior, and sales data. Use insights to make data-driven decisions. Legal compliance. Ensure your marketplace complies with relevant laws, including user data protection and tax regulations.